previous session, we learned how to help the students recognize numbers from 1 to 9 and count the objects using number cards. Now, we shall start by explaining the concept of addition using real objects. To conduct the activity, we need some dry leaves. Inform the students that today they're going to play a game using leaves. Begin the activity by forming 6 groups of students and name them A, B, C, D, E and F. Make each group collect 5 dry leaves. Guide the students to avoid plucking fresh leaves as it will hurt the trees, and ask them to collect only dry leaves. This instruction will help to inculcate the value of environmental awareness as well as develop compassion towards all kinds of living beings. Now, ask all the groups to settle down after they've collected the leaves. Further, initiate a discussion by asking questions to the students related to the addition. Ask the students, how many leaves are there with you? They may say 5 leaves. Next, tell Group A to give 2 leaves to Group B. Now, ask Group B to state the total number of leaves that they have after receiving 2 leaves from Group A. Possible response will be 7 leaves. Now, when the students take into consideration the responses of other students, the value of acceptance will develop among the students. Now, ask Group C to give 4 leaves to Group A. Follow this by asking Group A, how many leaves are there with you now? The possible response will be 7 leaves. As the students work together and come to a conclusion, the sense of fairness in a game will be developed among them. As the students continue to give answers to these questions, critical thinking skills will be inculcated among them. Continue with this activity using combinations of numbers so the students will be introduced to the concept of addition. Tell the students to keep the leaves safely for the next period. Conclude this activity by appreciating the students for doing their calculations correctly. With this, we've come to the end of our first period. Using the same innovative idea of concept explanation, we will introduce and explain more mathematical concepts to our students. But in our next session.